What do we discover about authorship in the prescripts? They teach us something really important about letter writing in antiquity. We call these the letters of Paul, and they are. But if we look more closely, they aren't just the letters of Paul. Influenced by our own circumstances, we might think about writing as something that occurs in solitude, a person alone at her laptop. But in Paul's letters, other figures begin to emerge as authors. Their names add something to our historical knowledge of these earliest communities in Christ. Silvanus, Timothy, Sosthenes, Tertius, the writer. As we study Paul's letters in the context of the first century, and as we ask the question, what was going on as these letters were produced and then first read aloud among the ecclesia, the room slowly begins to get more crowded, the picture more exciting and complex. There's more than one author, often, of the letters of Paul. For example, from the prescripts and a scrap of information at the end of the letter to the Romans, we meet a writer, Tertius, a scribe, perhaps a slave, since many slaves were trained as writers. And we also meet co-workers at the end of that letter. A community begins to emerge.